by a program. So I will copy this particular main method I will use for the unary operators. So let me go and understand some unary operators. Binary operators, we understand assignment operators, arithmetic assignment operators, comparison operator, and then relational operators we understand. So now I am going to create a new class file. The class file name is unary operators. Unary operators. So let me click on finish, and now I will take only a single variable right now. So I am giving some value like this, a equals to 10, and then I am displaying some unary operators a plus plus. That means a is an operand and plus plus is an operator. The meaning of that is a equals to a plus b. Similarly, plus plus a. Similarly, a minus minus. Similarly, minus minus a, you can write minus minus a. Pre-decrement and post-decrement. Minus minus a. What is the output of this particular program? What is the output of this particular program? Seven, okay, 10, 9. For first statement, what is the output? For this one, for first statement, what is the output? 11, okay. Second statement, what is the output? 10. Third statement, what is the output? 10. Fourth statement, what is the output? 10. Let me go and understand. So first and foremost thing, the meaning of a is, I will put a comment line here, a equals to a plus b, sorry, a plus 1, a plus 1. What is the a value? A value is 10. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. Actually the output is 11. The output is 11. But it is going to display the previous value. What is the previous value of a? A equals to 10 only. Actually the memory was changed to 11, but before that what is the value will be there, that will be displayed here, but the memory changed because it is post increment, because it is post increment. Now come for pre increment. What is the value in the memory? The memory value is 11. So you will write a equals to 11 right now. So if you operate a equals to a plus 1, then it becomes 12, because 11 plus 1 is 12. So the output is 12 for the second statement. And in the third statement, what is the memory? The memory is in the a is 12. So what is the operation here? A equals to a minus 1. A minus 1. That means what is the memory? 12 minus 1 is 11. That is assigned to a. That means it becomes 11. It becomes 11. But what it is going to display? It is going to display 12 because of it is post decrement. Post decrement means the previous value is going to display, not this one. In the output, so here in the output you will get 10. First time you will get 10. Second time you will get 12. Third time you will get 12 because previous value. Fourth time minus minus a means what is the memory? The memory is in 11, but if you applied a equals to a minus 1, so it becomes 11 minus 1 is 10. So 10 is the output. The 10 is the output. The 10 is the value that will be displayed here. So what is the final values? 10, 12, 12, 10 is the outputs. So let me save and execute the program. So what is the output? 10, 12, 12, 10 is the output. So let me right click and run our application. If you run our application, we will get 10, 12, 12, 10 is our this particular thing. 10, 12, 12, 10 is the answer. Students, you understand? Students, you understand? Okay, so let me go and solve some expressions. So many interviews, they will ask some questions based on these unary operators. For example, I will take one particular program and ask you to execute the program. What is the output of that particular program? Let me take a new class file. My class file name is expression test. Expression test. Click on finish. Now I want a main method, otherwise I will copy that particular code. For example, I have variables like a, b, c, d. Okay, 4 variables, and I will assign some values. B equals to minus 22, and c equals to 43. I assign some values. D equals to I am giving a small expression here, that is a plus plus minus minus b plus c plus plus. After that, what is the values of a, b, c, d? If you print these all values, what is a, b, c, d? I am removing this particular comment because this is the previous program comment. I am removing here. Tell me what is the output of a, b, c, d? Give me in the chat box. I am waiting for you. Students, give me the output. Sorry, by mistake the wrong expression, e expression, e was this. No problem. Jay Prakash is writing say 76, Varsha 77. For what? For which? What is the A value or B value? What the values? What is the A value? What is B value? What is C and what is D values? Okay, let me check. So first and foremost thing, A value is 10, B value is minus 22, C value is 43. So A plus plus means A becomes 11. So I am putting in a comment. A plus plus means A equals to A plus 1. That means A becomes 11 right now. So but it is printing here, it will print only 10. In this particular expression, it will print 10 in the brackets. Please write in the brackets. It will print 10. Okay. Minus minus b means b becomes 22 becomes b equals to b minus b minus 1. That means minus 22 becomes minus 21. That means it gives minus 21. So the memory is minus 21 and minus 21 is going to printed here because of it is pre-decrement. So pre-decrement it is minus 21. Okay, next in this particular area plus C plus plus. C plus plus means what is the value? It becomes 43. 43 becomes 43 plus 1. C equals to C plus 1. That means 43 becomes 44. But it is going to display the previous value because it is post increment. So here we need to display it is 43. So solve this particular expression. If you solve this particular expression, 10 minus minus, okay, what happens for minus into minus? Actually plus, I think. So what is the final value if you solve this particular expression for D? Please tell me. 31 plus 43, I think. Then 74. Yes, 74. So let me see. Let me execute what happened. The result. What is the result? Right click. Run as Java application. I am getting 11 minus 23, 44, 76. Here what I get? 11 minus, oh, minus, sorry, minus 22 minus 1. Minus 22 minus 1. What is the value? Minus, yes, minus 23. That's why we not written here. Minus 23. But we can write here minus 22. This value. Minus 22. Okay. Here is okay. It's okay. The console panel. What is the output? 44 and 76. This is 76. Not